What's the difference between I have, I got, I have got, and I have gotten? First, I have. In both American English and British English, this is the standard way to talk about possession, something that is yours, or something that you have with you right now. I have a shirt. This shirt is mine, and it is on my body right now. I also have a toy, but this is not my toy, this is my dog's toy. However, it is in my hand right now, so I have it. So that's have. It's the most standard way to talk about possession. It's also the most formal way. Next, I got. I got is actually not about possession. It's not about having something. Got is just the past tense form of get, which usually means to receive or to buy. So I got usually means I received or I bought. It's not about having something right now. It's about something that you did in the past. Yesterday, I got a phone call from my sister. That means that I received a phone call from my sister. Last week, I got a new bike for my son. That means that I bought a new bike for him. So yeah, I got is not about possession. However, in very informal English, people often use grammar that is not correct. So sometimes you might hear people say, I got, to mean I have. It's not correct, but some people do it. The correct way to say it is, I have got. I have got is the same as I have. I have got a shirt means I have a shirt. The only difference is that I have got is more informal than I have. So in writing and in very formal speaking, you should always use I have. In daily conversation, you can use either one. Now here is where it gets a little bit more complicated. The three verb forms for get in American English are get, got, and gotten. But in British English, the three forms are get, got, and got. The third form of a verb is mostly used in present perfect tense and passive voice. If you are not sure what those are, I have other videos that you can watch after this video. We're going to look at an example about buying something, and this example is going to be in present perfect tense. Present perfect tense uses have and the third form of the verb. The third form of buy is bought. I have just bought a new car. And again, we can use get instead of buy. So in American English, we might say, I have just gotten a new car. But in British English, they would say, I have just got a new car. Because again, they use got as the third form, not gotten. And even though the third form of the verb is different in that example, no native English speaker is going to have difficulty understanding those sentences. They clearly mean the same thing. However, there might be a situation in which you are unsure whether I have got means I have or I have received. But honestly, it really doesn't matter because usually when we say I have received something, it means that we still have it now also. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.